once it warms up though, it'll start bogging down to like 400, 500 RPM, maybe lower than that. I also get like this knocking, maybe a spark knock, I'm thinking. Only in drive though, when you step on the gas. Trying to pinpoint it, hard to see, I know. I'll give it some gas and see if you hear anything. If I just tap it really fast, it wants to die. And it smells like really rich fuel. See if I just tap it really fast? Smells like gas a lot. Ooh, dang. So it's running super rich. I do see a lot of water coming out the exhaust here. Thinking maybe I got an intake leak. I did put some more antifreeze in it, and I did notice I put in like maybe not too much, maybe like 8 ounces, not that much, and I noticed it was gone. It dribbled away. I'm thinking it's coming out the exhaust here. I'm thinking maybe that clacking sound when I step on the gas might be an intake leak or manifold leak, something where water is going into the intake. Because there seems like a lot of water coming out of here. Oh yeah, that's like pure water. Smells like, yep, smells like fluid. Yeah, that might be the problem. See my gauges, maybe. So dark in here. See, PSI is looking at about 40. I know you can't see it. Let me see. There we go. It's not warmed up yet. See if we give it some gas here. And that clacking, it did always, before the symptoms were, it would just go into like a really slow idle, only in a stop sign. Then it started getting this clacking sound when I stepped on the gas card. So I'm thinking probably gasket. Just puffing on a lot of white smoke there. Turn it off. I'm gonna move it back. Alright, that's enough. Smells like gas. Stinking. Like I got a gas factory going on in here. Thinking there might be a leak back there. Please let me know what you think it is. What's your thoughts about it? Appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.